Today, we'll go over the signs of a failing tie rod. But first, let's understand their purpose. Tie rods transfer force from the steering rack or box to the wheels, allowing them to turn left and right. Inner tie rods attach to the rack, while outer tie rods connect to the steering knuckle behind the wheels. They typically last between 80,000 to 100,000 miles. Nowadays, most cars use rack and pinion steering. Now let's look at the common symptoms you might experience with a bad tie rod. Symptom 1, steering wheel vibration. You'll notice vibrations increasing as you speed up. This happens when the tie rod wears out and causes side-to-side movement while driving. Sometimes you might also experience steering wander, where the car drifts to the left or right on its own. Symptom 2, irregular tire wear. You'll notice uneven wear on the front tires with certain areas more worn out than others. This happens because worn tie rods create a slight wobbling motion in the tires as you drive. If you continue driving with faulty tie rods, this wobbling will become more pronounced over time, leading to more significant tire wear and potentially affecting your vehicle's handling and safety. Symptom 3, damaged rubber boot. When tie rods wear out, the grease inside them can leak out. This allows dirt and moisture to enter, which prevents the tie rods from functioning correctly. This can lead to increased friction and wear, affecting steering responsiveness and potentially causing safety issues while driving. Symptom 4, knocking sound. You might hear a clunking noise when you turn your vehicle left or right. This noise can happen if either the inner or outer tie rod is worn out. It's a sign that the tie rods may need to be replaced soon to prevent further damage to your steering system. Symptom 5, loose steering. If the inner or outer tie rods wear out, you might notice that you can turn the steering wheel a few inches before the wheels respond. This is because wear inside the tie rod sockets creates extra play or looseness. Additionally, you might feel the steering wheel shaking when driving over bumps. This shaking can occur because the worn tie rods don't provide stable control over the wheels, affecting your vehicle's handling and safety. If you suspect your car's tie rods are bad, have them inspected and replaced by a mechanic immediately. Bad tie rods can make steering harder and affect how your car handles, so getting them fixed early will help maintain your car's safety and prevent more serious problems on the road. Typically, replacing tie rods costs around $150 to $350, depending on your car model and where you get the repairs done. That's all for today. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe so we can assist you. AutoFix Craft.